Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramata Gardens. Today we're diving into a plant that brings serious glow and texture to the landscape, Lysimachia golden globe, also known as golden creeping jenny. If you're looking for a bold ground cover or a spoiler for your container garden, this golden gem might just be your new favorite. Here's something interesting. While Lysimachia is often grown for its rich foliage, Golden Globe stands out with its chartreuse leaves that particularly glow, especially when paired with darker plants. It also spreads low and wide, creating a living carpet of gold that's great for filling in blank spaces in the garden or cascading over the edges of pots. Lysimachia is native to Europe and Asia, where it thrives in meadows and moist woodlands. The genus was named after King Lysimachus of Thrace, one of Alexander the Great's generals, and it includes several species valued for their ornamental and medicinal traits. Golden Globe is a cultivated variety bred specifically for its compact, mounding shape and vibrant yellow-green foliage, making it a garden designer's dream. This perennial grows in a tight, cushiony mound, typically staying around 6 to 10 inches tall, but spreading up to 18 inches or more. The rounded leaves are slightly scalloped and soft to the touch, creating a bright contrast against darker, greener plants or mulch. It also produces small yellow star-shaped flowers in the summer, which are subtle but add a charming detail. Golden Globe Lysimachia is easygoing and adaptable, but it thrives best in moist, well-draining soil in full sun and partial shade. It will show its brightest color in sunnier locations, while in more shaded spots the color deepens to a richer green. Keep it well watered, especially in hotter months, as it doesn't like to dry out completely. It's hardy in USDA zones 4 through 9 and can even handle light foot traffic once established. This plant is excellent for softening edges in rock gardens, lining borders, or spilling out of hanging baskets or containers. It looks stunning paired with deep purple coral bells, blue fescue, or dark-leaved coleus. The contrast makes plants pop, and because it spreads gently without being overly invasive, it's a great ground cover to pair under shrubs or taller perennials that need a bit of base color. Golden Globe Lysimachia is known for its ground-hugging spreading habit, making it ideal as a living mulch. It also helps suppress weeds once fully established and can reduce soil erosion on slopes or banks. In containers, it spills beautifully over the edges, creating a waterfall effect of golden foliage. Just keep in mind, while it's well behaved in containers, in ideal garden conditions, it can spread quickly, so regular trimming may be needed to keep it tidy. While Lysimachia isn't grown for culinary and medicinal uses like some herbs, its role in the landscape is all about visual impact and soil health. It's a perfect choice for both aesthetic design and functional ground cover in eco-friendly gardens. Pollinators like bees also enjoy the little yellow flowers, so you're doing them a favor too. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant profiles just like this. Until next time, happy planting.